Book of Heaven, Volume 12, September 4th, 1918. Laments of Jesus because of priests. As I was in my usual state, my always lovable Jesus came for just a little and told me,
"My daughter, creatures want to challenge my justice. They do not want to surrender, and therefore my justice does its course against the creature. And these are from all classes, excepting not even those who are said to be my ministers, and maybe these more than others. What poison they have, and they poison those who approach them. Instead of placing me in souls, they want to place themselves. They want to be surrounded, be known, and I remain aside. Their poisonous contact, instead of recollecting souls, distracts them from me. Instead of rendering them withdrawn, they render them more free, more faulty, so much so that one can see souls who have no contact with them being more good, more withdrawn. So I cannot trust anyone. I am forced to allow that the peoples go far away from churches, from the sacraments, so that their contact may not poison them more and render them more evil. My sorrow is great. The wounds of my heart are deep. Therefore pray, and united with those few good who are left, compassionate my bitter sorrow.